This is done by the defense themselves.
So there records that defense maintaining that road, sir. Is there any record?
Yes, sir. The record is very much there, as per the land documents. And of course, from time to time, in case if the defense cannot take up the repairing works, we used to also discuss with them. The same case happened with this clay yodo, we call it. It happens even with MES, where sometimes the government, the state government, take it up with the defense authority, and ultimately they consider for taking up the repairing work.
So do these army people have the legal documents to stick the clip, sir?
Sir, as I have said, yes, they do have the proper land documents.
Will you please, sir, to lay in the floor table of the house, sir?
Sir, I think I've already replied. The documents is available, and the land document happens way back in 1937. And I think laying of the document is not that necessary, because why I'm saying that, sir, even from the government side, we had these challenges long time back, and we would like to resolve these issues. And my reply is very, very clear. Right now, sir, we already had a discussion even with the local authority, with the village Dorba, where we discussed with them if we have any alternative. And recently, I'm happy to inform the Honorable Member and this August House, sir, recently even the village authority, jointly with our officers from the department, we already identified the stretch of alternative route which links to Mawlanray, from Mawshbuit to Mawlanray, which is more or less, their length is within 4 kilometers. The entire stretch of that length minus 300 meters again, which touches the defense land. Right now, sir, we are taking up this with the defense authority. I am sure we will be able to come out to a permanent solution on this particular issue.
No, sir. No, the people of the village want to see that legal documents, sir. That 600 meters stretch.
Sir, I've already said, the documents, the legal documents, it is available. Even the copy is there with the Deputy District Collector, Shillong. And in fact, when they had a series of meetings from time to time, even from the district administration, from DC Revenue, they requested if the village authority is having some kind of land document to produce it. But from the defense side, from the authority concerned, they produce the land document, as I've said. But however, sir, I think this is not the time to discuss about the land or about the issue of whether this road, which is being used till today, approach to Mawshbuit, whether it belongs to us or does not belong to us. But as I said to you, alternative is being worked out, and I'm very sure very soon we'll be able to come out to a permanent solution on that, sir.